Hello, and welcome back to the channel. The countdown has officially ended. So this video will be about celebrating the arrival of our child, who you'll get to know as Quay. But before we get to more there and reveal whether they're a boy or a girl at the end of this video, we're going to take a look back at the last 9 months to honor the occasion. Since our first introduction, we've gone on a big tour to celebrate, traveling to 27 different cities, 7 different countries, and Quay got to sample some of the best cuisine this world has to offer in mommy's tummy. But perhaps the most special moments was getting to share the news in person with some of our favorite people. And to capture those, we found a fun way so we can always look back and cherish with Quay in the future. Living abroad, it was the first time we had seen a lot of these people, so it made it pretty harmless when we requested a reunion photo. But in reality, I was recording the whole occasion to capture the full perspective. More of my favorite word, sensing a theme. The quick takeaway is everyone couldn't wait to meet Quay, but I'm going to take you through 4 of our favorite moments and break down the play-by-play. So let's get started. Some of the first people we shared the news with were our mom and sister when they traveled from the States to visit us in Vietnam. This was also one of our first chances to try out the reunion picture, it's a video scenario.
For this one, we wanted to tell you something. Oh. We're pregnant! Yay! Yeah.
I recall this was close to less than 24 hours since they'd arrived, so even with all the jet lag, it was really sweet to see their expressions come to life really quickly. Mom obviously had a lot of questions, but she also shared a unique piece of info we hadn't thought about yet.
Snake is another kind of dragon, but dragon is an imaginary animal.
Oh.
It's not real. That's why it's very powerful. It's not real. The snake is a real version of dragon.
What she's referring to is Lunar New Year, rotating every year to symbolize a new animal. This particular calendar year being the year of the snake, and how that closely ties to the year of dragon, which I am.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, he's like you.
Mhm.
He's a dragon.
Dragon is the most powerful.
Yeah. He'll be a snake. Or she'll be a snake.
They will be snake. Hanoi's old quarter at a house that our family has lived in for generations, so it was really cool to be able to share the news with multiple generations under one roof. Here we have Chu Va Ko, our aunt and uncle, as well as Ba Va Ung, or Quay's great-grandparents. Since living abroad, Grandma had found different ways to ask Ta when we'll be having a baby every time we came over. When are you planning? Are you pregnant yet? Is it in there? So to bring up the subject this time, Ta got ahead of it and asked Grandma to bring up the question for her to answer. She knew right away. And look at her face. That's textbook great-grandma. Love to see it. Meanwhile, aunt and uncle are being classically Vietnamese, graciously preparing and actively getting ready for dinner and hosting guests, and distracted. I mean, you don't need to speak Vietnamese to recognize that Chu and Co have just picked up on the news excitedly. And then here's a nice little moment of sharing our ultrasound from 9 weeks with the family.
Ông sắp có cháu. Không dám hỏi nó. Vui không? Hôm nay chắc chứ. Chắc. Ông chắc đấy. Đẹp lạ.
All very active participants, and Grandma has closely followed every ultrasound we've had and determined that the baby looks like the father. Time will tell, but that's now 2 pieces of matriarchal wisdom pointing towards the father-child connection. Over the summer, we had the chance to travel back to the States for a family reunion, where we had all our family, parents, brothers, sisters, and nieces and nephews all in one place. This grand telling happened in Nantucket.
Nantucket.
All right, that'll be quick. I just want to
Nantucket. Exactly. Got it. Okay. Say Nantucket.
We're going to Nantucket.
On the first day of our arrival, faked as a warm-up family reunion photo.
1, 2, 3.
We're pregnant!
It's a lot to take in here, so we're gonna read it like a book from left to right, breaking it down by couple. Our sister and brother-in-law are displaying their quick adaptability skills, pivoting from parents getting their kids to look at the camera to great siblings knowing how to proper celebrate, and then back again to caring for kitties ranging from in tears to on a tear. Our little brother and soon-to-be sister-in-law, always helping out with nieces and nephews, happy to celebrate the good news and humbly share the spotlight beside their engagement news. Then our little sister and bro-law, looking unfazed by the news with their own baby number 3 on the way. Just kidding. They're the first to give us big warm hugs, and my sister admitted she got lost in the chaos, not hearing the news among all the pandemonium.
Everybody.
And that just leaves our parents, your Graham and Bird, suspiciously inconspicuous
We're pregnant!
and acting super chill in this situation. And that's because we shared the news with them back at home. So let's just roll the Graham and Bird tape.
All right, just full 360 because we got a picture right before we left when you're around the sun.
So here I just mentioned it's particularly meaningful, this spot, because this was the launching point for us moving abroad as well. And at that time, we had taken a photo. So now being the first place that we had land back returning to visit the States, it was meaningful for us to also take a photo, actually a video together.
All right, yeah, ready. 1, hide that. 2, 3. We're
We're
pregnant.
pregnant!
Wait a minute. I'm still trying to process.
Surprise.
Surprise!
Wait a minute.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
And what a surprise. Look at their faces, which is fair because we had just arrived from the airport. They had lots of questions, learning about our travels and hearing what was going on to catch up. So a lot to take in.
Hey! Wow!
But of course, their joy and excitement kicks in. They couldn't be more proud. They already have travels booked to Vietnam and will be among the first to meet their newest grandchild.
How far are you?
What's with the due date?
You know the sex too?
How are you feeling? Will you be back?
Then the standard questions kick in, and it's clear how much they miss us while living abroad.
So is this being
Recorded.
Are you serious?
So we'd call these captured gems a success, but time will tell if Quay agrees. I hope you at least enjoyed some of it. Whether you've had the chance to share news like this yourself, or remember a time where somebody shared similar news with you, whether it was a brother, a sister, niece, nephew. In the end, it's all about making it fun for you and everyone involved. Ta and I sure had a lot of fun, and I hope you have the chance to go out there and experience it too.